In today's video, I will teach you how to add fog, rain, or snow to a scene with AI. Let's get started. Weather can completely transform the mood of a photo, fog adds mystery, rain gives a cinematic look, and snow creates a magical wintry atmosphere. Instead of waiting for the perfect weather or editing for hours, you can now use AI to add these effects instantly. To start, open your browser, then go to ChatGPT. Then sign in with your free account or create one if you don't already have one. Now we're going to switch to the image mode. To do this, go to the prompt box, then click the plus icon. Then select Create Image to enable image editing. Now, click the plus icon again, then choose Add Photos or Files, or simply press Ctrl U on your keyboard. Then select the photo that you want to edit from your computer. For best results, start with a photo that has good contrast and open space like landscapes, cityscapes, or portraits outdoors. Now this is where you tell the AI exactly what you want, and make sure to be clear about the type of weather, the intensity, and the time of day, or mood. And here are some good prompt examples. And to generate the image, press Enter to send your prompt. Then wait a few seconds while the AI generates your image. And if you want to refine the result, click the generated image to open the editing options. Then use the text box to make changes. But keep in mind that on the free plan, you can only regenerate up to 5 images per day. So upgrade if you need unlimited edits. Now, hover over the final image, then click Download to save it to your computer, or click Share to post it directly to your social media. And here are some pro tips for best results. With just a few clicks, you can turn an ordinary photo into a dramatic or magical scene with AI-powered fog, rain, or snow effects. Perfect for social media, creative projects, or just having fun. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.